Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIAC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a nice little day here. Nothing huge, but by no means was it a terrible day. By no means was it another sign that the bears are just continuing to crush the price back downwards. In fact, the first update, does a good job of illustrating that. Overall, it was a bullish day because now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and make an adjustment. And the question becomes, all right, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance now that we have more data up to this area right there at 48.25. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but you saw I adjusted that red line in the upwards direction, which is a sign of bullishness in and of itself. Whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, I mean, that doesn't guarantee anything, but that does represent that the price was able to make some signs of progress here and show some signs of progress by putting in a bit of a higher high there, which, is not a guarantee of anything, but it's, certainly a step in the right direction. So moving forward now, 48.25 is going to be that near-term level of resistance. And then the level I've talked about in past videos, if the price can push up through there, then, you would want to keep an eye on this area right there at $50.75. But 48.25, 50.75 main levels of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, still have that overarching level down there at 43, which didn't even really come into play today. Was, the price never got very close at all to potentially testing it. But what I'm now curious about, and I'm just going to throw this in here, and by no means is this some sort of like do or die level, but I'm very curious about that trend line right there to see, can the price now start to hold above that trend line? So like I said, that's more of a curiosity point, not necessarily a make or break level. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay above that green line there, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of power moving forward. But all in all, these are going to be the main levels to watch here headed into Wednesday. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.